This is how to add sound effects to CapCut, because stupid CapCut wants you to buy the pro version just so you can extract the audio from the video that you want to blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix that. So you're gonna want to get your video. Mine is just a black screen, and what I like to do is put the video, put the sound effect like wherever. Like I'm gonna put it right here. And quick note right here, please make sure that you're liked and subscribed. And like when it comes out, it's just gonna be, you see, yeah, okay. And so now you're gonna want to make it really, really small. Really, really small. Yeah, just make it really small and just move it around. You're barely gonna see it. Look at that. You barely see it. Look. You barely see it. You barely see it right there. You barely see it right there. You barely see it. And that's how you can just hide it, and that's how you add a simple sound effects to CapCut. Thanks for watching, guys.